How to recover your Instagram account without your email and phone number. If any day you would like to recover your Instagram account without your email and phone number, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Instagram on your mobile device. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now, in the section of username, email address, or mobile number, you have to tap the very account that you want to log into. I also tapped mine. After that, you have to go to the option of forgotten passport, and then you will see an interface like this. After that, you have to tap the very account that you want to log into, and when you go to the option of the very account that you want to log into, you have to go to the option of find my account, and after you go to the option of find my account, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to tap the new passport that you would like to put into the very account, and then you have to go to the option of next, and after that you will see the interface like this, the interface of your very account where you want to save or not now do on the very account. And you can also go to the option of save, or you can also go to the option of not now. I went to the option of save, and after you go to the option of save, now you'll see the very interface that your very Instagram account has been logged in without using your phone number or your email. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.